Here's an extremely easy and powerful strategy that helps you trade with the trend. Now, head over to the Indicators tab and search for moving averages. We will be using 2 moving averages for this strategy, so select 2 of them. Now, head over to the Settings tab and change the length to 20 on the first MA. Don't forget to also change the source to high. Change the length for the second MA to 20, then change the source to low. Make sure to change the colors of both your moving averages, red for low and green for high. So, how do we go about using this strategy? It's actually extremely simple. Rule number 1, we only take long positions if price is moving above the moving averages. Rule number 2, and we only take short positions if price is moving under the moving averages. Rule number 3, we only buy when price breaks its previous high, when we are in an uptrend. And as you can see, price breaks and closes above its previous high right here, and also above the moving averages. This indicates that price will continue to the upside. Now it's time to set our stop loss and take profit, always aiming for at least a 1 to 2. And we can take our entry. And here you have the same strategy, going for a short position. And as you can see, price is now moving under the moving averages. In addition, price closed below its previous low, indicating that we are heading down. Now, set your stop loss and take profit. Aim for at least a 1 to 2 or higher. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a single video.